Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, I highly recommend to check the description box because we've got a link to our website on which you can check and find all of those codes which I'll present today. So let's enter the dialer and let me show you the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK and let me show you a very similar code, which is *#07#. And thanks to this code, we can open SAR information so we can check the head and the body of our device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. It is *##4636#*##. And as I said, we are in the testing menu, so here we can check the Wi-Fi and phone information and also usage statistics. So let's start with Wi-Fi info. As you can see, it is divided between 3 different categories, so the API configuration and the status. Let me, for example, show the status. Let's refresh the stats, and here we can check the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let's go back. Let me show you usage statistics. So basically here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. You can check the usage time or when they were last time used. You can of course sort them by the usage time and etc. And they will be much easier to find. The phone information, here we've got the information basically about our phone. So here we can check the email number, phone number, current network, data service, voice service, signal strength, etc. Of course, I do not have information right here because I do not have my SIM inserted. Be aware about that. Here we can run ping test here. Oh my god. Here we can run ping test and the results are under it. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, we can, for example, enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which will open the diagnostics. And the code is *##426###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, and time connected. After tapping on events, we've got some further details. We can also show advanced view. Just tap on the 3 dots icon and mark this option and tap on the status again. And as you can see, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or LHP algorithm. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.